guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com. A lot of torque steer, just like the Civic Type R. So we're basically in the Acura version, the Civic Type R. We have same engine, 5 more horsepower. So we have a 320 horsepower engine instead of the 315 for the Civic Type R. So far, it seems, and we're about to get to the bumpy part in a second, so far, for some reason, I feel like there's more torque steer in this one because the steering wheel is really pulling because it's front wheel drive. The shifter is great, just like it is on the Civic Type R. You don't have that wing if you're a dad and you want to have a cool car, and you don't want everybody, you'll be a hero at the school pickup line, absolutely. But in case you don't want that, this could be the car for you. It's basically a step above here in the quality, I would say, of the interior. So a higher price point, so it should be. It's a lot better on that broken pavement than the Civic Type R was. It's more of a grown-up car, let's call it. But these are blasted drive. They're front-wheel drive, which honestly I'm not the biggest fan of, but I am a big fan of their manual transmission. All right, so see how it is on broken pavement. We're actually in the Sport Plus mode. So now let's, if we went down to Sport, still a rough ride. So know what you're getting into, but these roads are pretty rough to begin with. But it does seem a level. I've driven them back to back. So 20 minutes ago, I was in the Civic Type R on this exact same road. Oh, that Miata's fun. We'll have to take that. And this is a blast. If you have smooth roads by you, I think these are great cars. If you have bumpy roads like this, that have from the frost, all the lines in the road and the frost wedging going on, probably not the best car to take out in this area. I know a lot of the roads I drive in are kind of rough roads. And, you know, the BMWs and the Porsches, they probably have a little softer, definitely softer suspension tuning, still with good handling. Now we trail brake into those corners. This is a front wheel drive car, all our grips in the front, right? So we're gonna stay on it. But this is a great car. Civic Type R, I would just say it's a little tiny bit softer, tiny bit grown up. You know, if you're a father, you probably, maybe this is the better choice. It's still a sharp looking car. I almost, in a way, I might even like the looks of the, I do. I like the looks of this car better. A lot of fun to drive. I can literally drive, that's one way, I hope he knows that. I can literally drive this car all day. And I wouldn't tire it at all. I can't, this car has exceeded my expectations. All right, this is one way here, just as he knows, but maybe he'll go there anyway. All right, let's do it. All right. Watch out, watch out, watch out. All right, so we still have some good turns here. The handling is great on this car, fun. Great shifter. You know, when you have a manual transmission, you really need to have a good shifter, good clutch, pedal feel. Otherwise, it kind of ruins the experience. Then you might as well just buy the automatic. And unfortunately, nowadays, people are choosing so many autos over the manual, even when it's offered, you know, 80, 90%, that it doesn't make sense for the manufacturers to put all that research and development into a manual if nobody's picking it anyway, right? They may as well have the best 10-speed auto in the world than the clutch is nice and light, than a developed manual that nobody's going to buy. So kudos to Acura and Honda for making these cars. And you know, money no object, I choose the Acura. I wonder I would think the markup is going to be much higher on the Civic Type R, because I think there's more probably Honda fans than Acura, but I could be wrong. Let me know what you think in the comments. But this Acura is amazing. It's so much fun to drive. Best Acura, short of the NSX. So if you love the NSX, as you know, if you follow the channel, I have a 2005 NSX, which is my baby, and an S2000. And I think if you love those cars or want those cars, then this is a great car to buy. You're going to have a warranty, a backup camera, and it'll be just a joy. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.